Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So you can add 1, 2, or all 3. So let's dig in and see exactly everything that you're going to be getting this month. Starting with the cardstock, you get 3 additional cardstocks, 2 of one color and 1 of another for each one of the 4 collections. So I leave them out like this so you can kind of see how well they match. So for Bella Boulevard Lake Life, you're going to get 2 sheets of crimson and 1 sheet of Jetstream. And for the Moonlight Magic from Crepe Paper, you're going to get 2 sheets of Nixon and 1 sheet of mustard. For the book club from Photoplay Paper, you're going to get 2 sheets of Flamingo and 1 sheet of Lemonade. Look how well that matches. And then Chamel's main character Energy, you're going to get 2 sheets of the Wild Berry and 1 sheet of Geranium. And you can see again just how well Rochelle matches those up for you. The next add-on we're going to look at is the pattern paper add-on, and for it you get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these are repeats. These are all additional colors and pattern papers. So starting with Bella Boulevard Lake Life, we have this paper called Borders, which is exactly that. All the different borders. Love papers like this. It can go so far when embellishing. The back is a 2-toned yellow plaid. Then we have Lake Vibes, which is a striped with all of the different colors. The back is all of these little fishes on the blue, so it makes a design that's really neat. Moonlight Magic from Crepe Paper. We have this paper called Bright and Brave, which is florals kind of making a starburst effect. The back is a pink plaid. Then we have this paper called Moon and Stars, which is the stars on black, and the back is all of these different maps with constellations and longitudes, all different kinds of things. So that's really unique and fun. For the Photoplay Paper Book Club, you're going to get Bookshelf, which is all of these different books. And the back is a polka dot on that pinkish red, kind of a corally type pink. This one's Books Galore, which has stacks of books and glasses and opened books on the pink. And then we have the turquoise on the back with the line. So this would make great, just like a ledger paper to do journaling and different things like that. For Chamel's main character Energy, we have this paper called Zoom In, which is a play. She always does a camera print, but this one has little speech bubbles with it. Fearless, oh snap, lovely, today, true story as. Love how it has the rainbow on the diagonal. It's a lot of fun. The back is a purple, and again, a full branding strip of the rainbow of cameras. We have this paper called After Hours, which is a striped, and the back is a sun print done in pinks and oranges and lightning bolts in orange on pink. So a lot of fun extra pattern papers there. So one more look at that. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on. So this is one of my favorites. I love embellishing. So for Lake Life from Bella Boulevard, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. We have lots of scalloped borders here, and then one with phrases. Let's float the day away at the lake. Lots of word labels, an alphabet, and then icons and photo corners tabs. I love that they kind of do the alphabet along with icons and stuff. That's a really great value there on that sticker sheet. For Crepe Papers Midnight Magic, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So these are washi strips, so a lot of fun there. For the Photoplay Paper Book Club, you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. So these are the ones that I got. All of these embellishments will vary here. This one, of course, everyone will get. So lots of different fun icons and phrases. Shelf care comes first. I love that. And then Chamel's main character Energy, you're going to get 1/2 of the 6 by 12 sticker sheet. So this is the one I got. Have popsicle sticks, border, and a gold squiggly, some shorter ones, some of the little tabs here, and lots of phrases. So that is your embellishment add-on. One more look at the 3 add-ons available for your flavors of the month. Don't forget that the Shots of Life also coordinates and can give you more pattern paper and embellishment, so I'll have the link here at the end, and if you missed the Flavors of the Month video, it's linked so you can click right on that and watch. We also have all kinds of other kits and individual items available in the store, so be sure to click that link and check those out. We'd love to have you join us over on the Facebook group for the challenges and inspiration. We have a lot of fun over there and can't wait to see you. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.